Hi guys, it's Chris from Burns Power Tools. Today I'm here with Andrew. We're going to be talking about the hole hogs from Milwaukee.
Thanks, Chris. So today we have the M18 Fuel Hole Hog and the M18 Fuel Super Hog. So I just want to go over a few differences on the tools. This guy here is our hole hog. It's optimized for electricians, specifically designed for 7/8 holes up to a 2-inch. It comes with a regular keyed chuck or a quick lock chuck, depending on the preference. It also can come with 2 5.0 batteries or 2 9.0 batteries, depending on the preference. This guy here will do up to 150 7/8 holes on one charge with a 5.0 battery. And if you have a 9.0 kit, you can double that. So let's give it a go on this guy here. As you can see, very good performance here, just like our corded predecessors. It's just nice because it's 30% lighter, and it's just as fast as a corded unit. The next one here is our Super Hog. This guy here is designed for plumbers, so 2 9/16 holes on a daily basis all day long. It's a 2-speed. 90% of the parts are from our corded predecessor, so you still got that durability factor. But this guy is designed for plumbers because it can do 3, 4, 5, even up to a 6-inch hole, as well as 5.0s and 9.0s. This one I have a 9.0 on there right now, but you can get it with 5.0s or 9.0s. Let's give it a shot. There you go. So you can do, with a 5.0 battery, it'll do 75 2 9/16 on a charge. If you put a 9.0, you can double that, so about 154 2 9/16.
You can find these on burnspowertools.com or in store. Thank you.